Hello everyone. In the previous class we have seen exercise number 5.2 up to 9 we have solved the examples. Now today we'll discuss about the next example, that is 10th one. See the question. The 17th term of an AP exceeds means less than, exceeds its 10th term by 7. It's 10th term by the 7. Find the common difference. Now which value you have to find here? Common difference. The 17th term is of an AP exceeds its 10th term. Means 17th term minus 10th term. Now it means that term by how much here is equal to 7. Find the common difference. Find the value of D here now. Now see that according to the question, see how you can find. We know already. See what you know. We know 17th term formula, that is A17 is equal to A plus 16D. You know. Clear? Then similar, what is the 10th term formula here? A10 is equal to A plus 9D. Clear? Then see that according to equation, shall I remove this one? Now what they ask the question to find here? Common difference D is equal to question mark. Now see how to find. Now see that the given 17th term is exceeds from the by 10th term. It means that how to write here? Now A17 minus A10 is equal to exceed by how much is that? 7. I hope you understood. Now see the next one. Now A17 formula, what is that? A plus 16D, then minus into bracket, because you are going to subtract here. Next two terms are there. You have to write there into bracket. Now A10 means how much here? A plus 9D is equal to how much? 7 as it is. Clear? Then see that, open the bracket. A plus 16D minus A minus into plus minus 9D is equal to 7. Isn't it? Then see that plus A minus A get cancelled. 16D minus 9D, how much here? 7D is equal to 7 as it is. Therefore D is equal to 7 upon 7. Then D is equal to 1. See what is the common difference of this AP here? 1 is the common difference. Therefore the common difference is how much? Difference is 1. I hope you understood. Like that you have to find the common difference here. Now see this is the 10th question, and 11th is the very simple, that is the homework for you. Now next we will see the 12th question. Now 11th is the homework. I will send the in a WhatsApp group here what is the question of the 11th one. That is the homework. Now see the next 12th example here. Yes. See the 12th examples. First we will try to understand the question. See the question what they given. Two APs have the same common difference. CD means common difference. Now two APs are there having the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. The difference between the 100th term of the two APs are how much is that? 100. The difference between the 100th term is 100. Then what is the difference between their 1000th term? They given the difference between the two APs are 100. 100th term of the difference is 100. Then what is the difference between the 1000th term? I think maybe they will get the same now here. But see what they given. Two APs have the same common difference. Now which are the two APs you have to take here now. Now see the answer. Let two APs are, we take one by one. Now see that A1. Now see that first A1 is the first APs plus into bracket n minus 1 into D. Then similar, what is the second AP here? A2 plus N minus 1 into D. First AP, this is second AP now. Now what is the which term here? 100th term. Which term they given here? 100th term. So I'll remove this one. You have to find here the difference between of the 100th term is 100. Now thousandth term, the difference between 1000 term is how much here? You have to find here. Now see, these are the two APs here. Now see the first how to find here. Now 100th term differences they given 100 here. Now see, so a 100 term is equal to A1 plus into bracket n means number of the terms. How much terms are there? 100 minus 1 into common difference D. Clear? Now similar, you have to simplify this one. So A1 plus 100 into D, 100D minus D1 are D. Clear? Then is equal to A1 plus 100D minus 1D, 99D. Now this is the first term of the 100th term. First AP of the 100th term. Now take the first term of the 1000th term here. What will get now? Same again. See, a 1000 term is equal to A1 plus into bracket 1000 n is equal to, it means that 1000 minus 1 into D. Clear? Then is equal to A1 plus 1000 into D, 1000D minus D1 are D. Therefore is equal to A1 plus 1000D minus 1D, how much? 999D. Now this is the first APs of the 100th term and the 1000th term. Clear? Then see what about the second APs of the 100th term? Second APs. Now see what is the second APs here? That is the A2. Correct? Therefore A100 is equal to A2 plus into bracket 100 minus 1 into D. Therefore is equal to A2 plus 100D minus D is equal to A2 plus 100D minus 1D. How much? 99D. Clear? Now see that similar second APs of the 1000th term here. Now that is A thousands is equal to, take the A thousands is equal to A2 plus into bracket 1000 minus D minus 1 into D. Clear? Therefore is equal to A2 similar here plus 999D. Clear? Now this is the about the first APs and the second AP. Now shall I remove this one up here? Next see what they given the common, the difference between the 100th term. How much they given here? 100. Clear or not? Now it means that, now see what is the first term here? A. How much is there here? First term 100th term, difference of the 100th term form. How much you got that answer here? A1 plus 99D and minus the difference between, it means that minus how much is that 100 term, and one more that where is the second AP, the difference between the 100th term of the first AP and the second APs. Here is the second APs. How much they given? 100. That is A2 plus 99D is equal to 100. Is equal to 100. Clear? Now see the next, open the bracket. A1 plus 99D minus A2 minus into plus minus 99D is equal to 100. Isn't it? Then see that now 99D minus 99D get cancelled. What is the remaining here? A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. Correct. The difference between the first AP and second AP is how much they given? 100. Then what about the difference between the thousands terms of the AP? Now here is the, now this is the equation one here. Yes. Now see that, shall I remove this one? Now Now see that difference between the 100 term, how much you got that? This is the equation 1. Now come to the 1000 term here. What is the 1000 terms here? First AP of the 1000 term here, that is A1 plus 999D minus into bracket, how much is there here? Second one, A2, see that? A2 plus 999D. Isn't it? Because you are going to find the difference between the 1000 terms of the AP. Then open the bracket, A1 plus 999D minus A2 minus into plus minus 999D. Clear? So I remove this one. Now see is equal to. Now simplify this one. See that 900 plus 999D minus 999D get cancelled. What is the remaining here? A1 minus A2. Clear? Now this is the equation 2. Now see that A1 minus A2 means how much here? Yes, that is the 100 here. Now this is which term here? 1000 term here. It means what we write here? The difference between the 1000 term. It means that how much this A1 minus A2 means also how much here? 100. Now see that what you can conclude here, the difference between the 100th term of the AP is 100 only. Similar, the difference between the 1000 terms of the APs are also how much here? 100 only, because A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. Now A1 minus A2 is the difference between the 1000 term. How much was that? A1 minus A2 means how much here? 100 only. So here also common difference is 100 only. So what you can write that final point? I'll write here. Now therefore the difference between 1000 term of AP will be how much? AP will be 100 only. AP will be 100 only. Clear? I hope you understood. Now little lengthy is there, but easy is there. You have to see the step by step. You will get the idea now. Now I hope you understood. Now thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Next class we will see the remaining examples.